Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing. Today we will show you guys how to remove the rear door handle, exterior door handle on Volkswagen Touareg right here, guys. 2005 to 2010 generation. All you're going to need is a Torx 20 bit, a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and this is the handle that we'll be removing. There is one cap, plastic cap, that we will need to pull out of the way now. Okay, this one there, guys, you can see. Next you need to get the T25 Torx 20 actually, no, T20. And there is one screw, okay, right here inside that you need to get loose. Make sure you don't drop this one in the door. Once you get it loose, you can open the door handle, okay, and you can pull that thing out like that. Next, it's very important what you do next, guys. There is one, okay, let me get a little bit of light here. Okay, that cable right there, you need to pry it out. Okay, like that. This is the one for the door handle now. Okay, you can see the one that opens the door, that cable. Okay, and usually if you pull it towards the back, okay, like that, it will come out. Okay, like that. And then you need to twist this way. Okay, and the door handle is out, guys. You can see like that. That's how most of them are. Not very complicated procedure. You can see that's where the cable usually goes, and it's adjustable as well here. So you can pull it a little bit tighter or looser depending how you want to open your door. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.